Hi, welcome back to the channel. My name is Castelline. I just came back from my morning bike ride and took a shower, and now I want to make a protein shake, and then I'm going to start working on, there's something I need to work on the laptop, so I'm gonna make a protein shake and get straight to work. But yeah, welcome to this video. I really don't like milk in general. That's why I'm topping it up with water. But usually people just take it with milk straight up. I don't know what milk is good for me at this age. So this is the only time I drink milk actually, because even tea, coffee, I take it straight up without milk. Or no, let me not lie. When I'm making like cappuccinos and stuff like that, I take milk. But I generally don't like straight up fresh milk just like that by itself, so that's why I top this up with some water. But I would prefer to take it with just plain water, but the taste is, I don't know, the milk does something for it. So that is, and it's a meal replacement, so that is a meal in itself. And then I have a new development. This is a new work from home setup. And okay, let me close this door. The washing machine is really loud. We've really decided this year to focus on being fit, but not just being fit like working out often, but engaging in what you call active fitness. So I'm sounding like I'm very an expert on this topic, but I just made that up in my head. So active fitness, for me, what I think it is being active and focusing on fitness in literally every aspect. And now in this case, like usually when we're working on the laptop, on the computer, we're seated relaxing. And for most people, like on average, will spend more than 5 hours a day sitting down. So I'm trying to be I'm trying to focus on fitness, but integrate it into everyday activities like work. So we changed the work setup. I actually moved the desk from the living room to the bedroom because we have a walking pad. Let me show you. So this is the setup. We got this extension that raises the desk to standing level, so you can be able to use your computer and whatever while standing. And then down here we have a walking pad, so I can literally be able to walk while I'm working on the computer. So I think that works great for keeping you like actively engaged in fitness even when you're working. So this is the setup. This is where I'm going to be working from today. Usually I try to get in like a lot of steps in a day, like the usual 10,000 steps per day. On days when I'm just chilling at home, not doing much, it's very hard for me to achieve those steps. So at least with this walking pad, I can make sure every single day, even if I don't leave the house, I achieve my walking steps.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Hi again, so I just finished editing the video that is going up before this one. So I'm sure you'll have watched it by now, and if you haven't watched it, it's okay, I forgive you. Just make sure you watch it after this one. So for the afternoon, there is this wall behind me. You can see this empty wall that has never been decorated since we moved into this apartment. And I was thinking I'm going to do some painting. Those two wall art in the corner there, I'm the one who painted them. And then also this vases, it's not so clear, but I painted that as well. So I thought it's been long enough, and since we are not settling on what to put there, I'll paint something just to hold the space. And if we find something better or decide to switch up the decor, it's fine because the painting is free. I did it myself. So that's what I'm going to do for the afternoon, just do a bit of painting. It's also quite relaxing. And I've been watching this series called The Good Doctor. So that will be playing in the background. This series has just been popping up on social media like crazy, so I decided let me just watch it. Usually I don't like watching series, but because of the pace of the series, like every episode is like a unique, it's not completely continuous, so every episode has unique case scenario, so I don't mind watching that. But usually I don't like series. I prefer a movie, watch it and get over it. But since I'm going to be working for a while, painting for a while, it's a good backdrop to have. But that's how my afternoon is going so far. Yeah. No. And this is how it turned out. It's just a bunch of flowers. I have another canvas of the same size, so I think I'll make like flowers that look similar to this, and then I can put them side by side. It's not too bad. Like, my skills are improving considering the kind of funny things I've painted before. So I want to make burgers for dinner. Actually, I want to make keto burgers. So over here I have 2 eggs. Then I have a bit of cream cheese, some almond flour with the baking powder, and mozzarella cheese. I'm going to be making low-carb keto buns. Good morning. It's currently around 5 minutes to 9 a.m. I am actually heading out because I am in the process of renewing my visa and I need to go and do a medical fitness check. So in UAE, whenever you're doing a visa renewal, you have to do a medical fitness check where they're going to just draw some blood. I'm not going to run on a treadmill to check how fit I am. They're just going to draw some blood and do some blood tests, you know, things like hepatitis, blah, blah, blah. But anyway, if you know, you know what they're testing. So I'm going for that. I'm going to give my samples and then we'll see how the day goes from there. I'm sure I'm not able to film inside there, but I will just show you around the area. Pretty simple process. So let me get my stuff and head out. I'm just about to call a cab and go for that. And actually the outfit I'm wearing today is one of the outfits that I got from Dragon Mart. So let me show you how it looks. It's just flared pants and it has pockets. So I love that for me, just flared pants. And I'm going to be wearing that with sandals. There is also a coat, but it's pretty warm outside, so I don't see the need to wear a coat. So let me get my stuff together and head out to Al Quoz. That's where the medical fitness center is. So I'm gonna head out there, get tested, and then head back. So I just finished doing the medical tests. They took blood samples and they also did an x-ray. So now I'm just waiting for the cab to come. Although before the last time I did it, I never took an x-ray. So I found that a bit strange. But anyway, it is what it is. So I'm waiting for the taxi so I can head back home. It's really hot outside, my goodness. I just got back home and then I realized that there are a couple of groceries missing. So I want to head out to Carrefour and get a few items because I have literally nothing to make for dinner tonight. So I'm heading out again. My face is melting off. It's hot. Anyway, quick shop done at Carrefour, so I'm heading back home. And then that's the last time I'm leaving the house today because it's too hot. It's just too hot. So I just came straight to the kitchen because when I was saying there was nothing to eat, like there was no food and I needed to make a quick lunch. So I hopped straight into the kitchen and that's why I didn't do a haul because it was just a small shop, like a few items that we needed. So I have put the chicken into the oven. It's been there for about 35 minutes, which I think it's almost done. And then I made some broccoli. So I made a simple steamed broccoli and carrot mix. And then the chicken is almost done. And I have some white rice in the fridge, so that will be lunch for today. Quick meal, quick prep. For this video, I don't think there's anything else, so let me just close it here. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, do subscribe. If you enjoyed the video, like, give it a comment, and I'll see you on the next one.